Hey, it's Avi. Check out this melody I wrote. What if I told you this whole melody, this thing, was taken very much using material solely from Brahms's famous Lullaby. You know, you've heard it, Lullaby and Goodnight, all of that stuff. That's this lullaby, and I took it, made it mine, and created a whole new melody out of it. And today, I'm going to show you how you can do that too. What's up? I'm Avi. Welcome back to May Melody Madness, where I'm celebrating the release of my first online course, the Just Right Music Melody Mastery Mini Course. Okay, so here we are. Let's listen to this classic Brahms lullaby. Great, so this is just those first 4 bars. Really simple melody, really beautiful melody. Let's fish for some objects. First thing I'm seeing right off the bat that I'm probably going to use is this 2/8 note motive over here. I like the thirds happening over there. I like the 8th note, ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba. I like that as well. These are mostly rhythms I'm thinking about and intervals. It's a lot harder to take inspiration from some of these more simple melodies because the objects they use are so emphatically what makes them sound like themselves. That can be really tricky, right? Especially with the intervals. So we're going to keep the tempo. We're going to keep the key. It's going to be in E flat as well. How about we take this? Let's create a sequence just sort of with that. I'm just going to do that. That's how I'm going to play this. Whoops. Oh, let's change the key as well. Okay. I just hit K to bring that menu up. E flat major. That's where we're at. C minor works fine too. How about we change the harmony to... All right, let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got here in a little Brahms melody. I need another one. Yeah. Let's see how it sounds. Very so pretty. Very so pretty. Those aren't English. It really had still this Brahmsy kind of feel. Really still gave us a lullaby type of vibe, even though we have a different texture. A lot of the same rhythms, a lot of the same objects, same tempo, same key. It doesn't matter whether or not the melody that you are working from, your inspiration source, is something crazy ubiquitous like this incredibly beautiful and time-tested lullaby. The simplicity of it can be a little bit more challenging, and that's just a task. It's a challenge. But it is totally doable as long as you are able to use the tools, the melodic tools that are available to you. If you want to have more of those tools at your disposal, check out my free guide, 7 Ways to Write a More Effective Melody. There is a video version of that now, so check that out. If you want to go even further, just want all the melodic tools, the same stuff that masters of the craft of today, you can use as well if you check out my course, the Just Right Music Melody Mastery Mini Course. You can head to justrightmusic.com to check out both of those at your leisure. There's a link down in the doobly-doo. Now, something you might not know about Brahms over here was Brahms was like really obsessed with that Beethoven guy, and Beethoven, as you know, he's a big boy in the classical world. If you want to write a melody just like Beethoven, you can check out the video that's popping up on your screen right now. That is going to help you write a melody just like Beethoven. Thanks so much for watching and for hanging out with me today. I'm Avi, and don't forget to be awesome.